Freelancing. Freelancing involves offering your skills and services to clients on various online platforms. Examples of services include writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, virtual assistants, and more. To get started, create a compelling profile that highlights your skills, experience, and past work. Browse job listings, bid on projects that match your expertise, and communicate effectively with potential clients. As you complete projects and gather positive reviews, you can build a reputation and potentially increase your rates. E-commerce. E-commerce refers to selling products or services online. You can start by identifying a niche or target audience, sourcing or creating products, and setting up an online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce for WordPress websites, Etsy for handmade and vintage items, and Amazon for product sales provide tools to create and manage your store. You'll need to focus on product listings, pricing, branding, marketing, and customer service to attract and retain customers. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services from other companies through your unique affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase or takes a specific action through your link, you earn a commission. To succeed in affiliate marketing, choose products or services that align with your niche or content. Create valuable content, such as reviews, tutorials, or recommendations, that encourages your audience to click on your affiliate links. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share Hustle, and ClickBank offer affiliate programs in various industries. Online courses. Creating online courses is an excellent way to share your knowledge and expertise with a global audience. Identify a topic you're knowledgeable about and that others would find valuable. Plan your course content, create engaging video lessons, quizzes, and written materials. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific provide tools to create and sell your courses. Focus on delivering high-quality content and engaging with your students to provide value and encourage positive reviews. Content creation. Content creation involves producing valuable and engaging content in various formats, such as videos, blog posts, podcasts, or social media posts. As your content gains traction and builds an audience, you can monetize through several methods. Ads. Display advertisements on your website, YouTube channel, or social media platforms to earn revenue based on views or clicks. Sponsorships and partnerships. Collaborate with brands and companies that align with your content for sponsored posts, videos, or mentions. Merchandise. Create and sell branded merchandise, such as t-shirts, mugs, or digital products, to your audience. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon allow your audience to support your content financially in exchange for exclusive perks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.